Thinking. Why does thinking make us tired? Researchers look into this. When we think a lot, our brain releases a chemical. It tells us that we must rest. People who spend a long time thinking will feel tired. Resting helps the brain to return to normal. A 20-minute power nap can make us feel totally refreshed. The researchers tested 40 people. 24 of these had difficult tasks looking at a computer screen. The other 16 people did similar but easier tasks. Everyone worked for 6 hours. Brain scans showed that the group with the difficult task had more of the chemical called glutamate in their brain. Thinking. Have you ever wondered why thinking too much makes you tired? A new study has found out some answers to this question. Researchers from the Paris Brain Institute looked at why mental effort makes us tired. They found that when people think a lot, the brain releases a chemical called glutamate. Too much glutamate upsets the brain's functions. It means the brain tells the body it is tired and that it must rest. People who spend more than 6 hours working on a task that requires a lot of thought are more likely to feel tired. A period of rest allows the brain to return to normal. This explains why a power nap is good for us. A power nap can be as short as 20 minutes, but can make us feel totally refreshed. The research team looked at the behavior of 40 participants in their research. 24 of these had to perform a challenging task. These included looking at a computer screen and matching different letters that appeared. The other 16 participants did a similar but easier task. Both teams worked for 6 hours and had two 10-minute breaks. The researchers scanned the brain of the participants. They found that the group who had the more difficult task had higher levels of glutamate in their brain. Study author Antonius Whaler said, "It would be great to find out more about how glutamate levels are restored." He asked, "Is sleep helpful? How long do breaks need to be to have a positive effect?"